Hey, you guys like merch? We're debating doing a giveaway. Actually, you know what, dude?
What?
Pull up that YouTube video, the one we just did on the Banshee.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's give away a shirt. There's a lot of comments on there.
There is. Welcome back.
Welcome back. Little shop update. Getting the Trizilla crated up. This was supposed to be done Friday. Ran out of time. It's getting done Monday morning. Or is it afternoon? I don't know. It's afternoon? Shit. At this point?
1:33 on Monday morning.
You're gonna have that. So anyway, this is how we like to do them. We strap them down. We're not gonna go to the grab bar or anything like that. We're gonna go to the peg, down to the crate. So Alberto set his parts in this crate. We're gonna beef it up, make it work. It's gonna go on a long journey down to Florida and then I believe to Costa Rica. So welcome back.
She ain't going nowhere.
She ain't going nowhere. Yep. Cool. So this is kind of a shop update slash, I don't know what this video is, but got our wheels in from Douglas. I'll insert some clips of us unloading them. So I was pretty excited about that today. Yeah. Oh, that's true. Yeah, it'd be bad.
Y'all clear in there? Gotta go our fork extensions off the other one.
Yep. Yeah, we can actually cut them down a little bit too. So they don't need to be. Dude, it's exciting. Douglas hooked us up. We just got real busy with parts, John.
Yeah.
Because here we are, we're like, oh, we're caught up. No, we're not. Not even close. Now we got to make rims. Oh man, where's the VF4 when you need it? Just like that, we're in the business of getting some wheels built. Douglas hooked us up. Got us all the spun wheel halves that we wanted. So this is going to be a three-piece design, similar to the Kaiser wheels. Kaiser recently, unfortunately, had an issue where their shop burnt down, so we had to reach out to Douglas, and they got us rolling again. No longer waiting on wheels. Now we just got to machine them, build the billet centers, and get these things put together. That'll be fun. Gonna be making wheels in house. We're not spinning them, but we at least got the wheel center set up, and we're gonna be machining those, making the billet centers, and getting that all tuned up. All right, guys, second half of this video. We ran out of room. We keep doing this. We already bought property down the road. We're gonna be actually building a massive building. Pretty excited about it. But the unit next door, it's empty. So we're gonna bust a hole in the wall and connect this whole deal over.
We got a doorbell now.
We got a doorbell. Oh, it's so nice. Oh man, yeah. So got our forklift over here. I was from the other building. I came with the other property. Yeah, pretty excited about this. Turn the camera around. Little shop tour part two. We got some insulation falling down. That's what you get when you rent a building. Yeah, so you guys know our toolbox is behind that wall. We're gonna bust a hole right there.
I got my own shower now.
Got your own shower?
I got my own shower.
Okay. Okay, let's check it out. It's a little sketchy. It's fine. Got like weird symbols on the wall right here. Anarchy. Anarchy symbols.
I got my own shower.
Got your own shower. Let's check out this shower.
Nice and roomy.
I bet when people click this video, they didn't expect to see
A shower.
with a no soliciting logo in there. What was this guy doing in this unit? Damn.
Got a mirror behind the door.
Last we knew he was selling gems, but feels real nice. Got some tile on the floor. Pretty excited. It's at 70. Yeah, so I guess the entryway of our other unit is on the other side of this wall, so maybe we'll connect everything. Who knows? Whole office. This is gonna end up being like a break room, just away from all the noise. We did this for you guys too, so we can film. Got the shitter. Pretty excited about it.
The security cameras in use.
Yep, there is cameras here.
They're all facing the roof right now.
Yeah. No, I know we transferred that over, so we'll have security cameras over here for sure. Motion sensors, the whole deal. Yeah, little ring camera action. Well, that was a 1 minute 32 tour. That wasn't too bad. Yeah, we had a couple bikes floating around. This one has a power door. I'm not gonna open it because they're latched, but yeah, we're gonna get this thing painted up. Even when you're renting, it's nice, just paint it, get it fresh. Of course, I'm going all black. You guys know how I like stuff. Yeah, we'll do a follow-up video, part 2 to this. We're gonna bust a hole in the wall, and I might possibly ride the big red through the sheetrock. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, let's go back over there. Let's go back. Yeah, so there's a transmission shop over here, and we have like the whole building pretty much. Pretty cool.
Right here.
Yeah. Yep. Starting to lose track of which door to use. Yeah, we got a water jet coming. We got a VF4 coming. So we're out of room. So we're getting that rolling. Yeah, so all this stuff, all the assembly, that's all going to be on the other side. Pretty excited for that. Water jet's going to end up being over here. So we'll definitely do a follow-up video on that. VF4, that whole pallet racking is going to be gone. That's going to get moved over. I'm probably going to have it against the back wall, actually. But we just got all kinds of projects going on right now. 2022, this is possibly getting a 2-stroke shoved into it, and it's possibly going to be a trike, so stay tuned for that. This thing is going to be badass. We are making Talon bumpers. Everybody's been bugging us for them, and we're super pumped to be doing them. Just tacked together for now. Got a little billet cap that goes in the end. I want to give you guys a little preview of what we got going here. It's pretty sick. How's she coming?
She's not going nowhere.
Not going nowhere, or is it going somewhere?
She ain't going nowhere.
In a good way?
2 washers, bud.
Couple washers?
Yep, 2 right here.
Yep. Hell yeah. I mean, got insurance on it. We hope they don't flip the fucking crate over, but you always wonder, these shipping companies, you never know what you're gonna get. What's that?
I got a box order from FedEx. I was like smashed in half.
Oh God.
Beautiful. I just want to hand it through. I'm like, you can just take this. I'm not
Oh
opening it.
man.
Take pictures.
Got the Sierra 250 mid pipe getting cut, welded, put back together. We're gonna clean all that up. This was a used bike that's getting converted. This is the brand new 2021 build. So Drew's working on the mid pipe right now. Got everything mocked up the way it should go. Pretty excited for that. Definitely gonna be sick. Making some beautiful welds over here. Hell yeah, looks great, dude.
Thanks, man.
Cool. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. That's our update for today.
We got close enough fabrication when it comes to wood.
Close enough fabrication for the woodworking?
Yeah, we don't do wood here.
Nah.
We're not woodworkers.
Your dad is like a master carpenter and you became a metal worker.
Straight off.
Give your dad a shout out.
Straight off.
Say hi to your dad.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad. He watches our videos. Dude, we learned a lot from him when we did our house. I still can't believe it. Cool. Well, we'll get this thing screwed back together, get the lid on. It's gonna be shipping out of here. Just I'll give you guys an update on some of the machine parts. Got our billet block offs for the Sierra 500 conversions. Those are getting ran right now. Just laying out our wheels. So we got our cradles going. These are getting shipped out this week. Of course, I say that every week, but you guys can see they're really rolling here. So all the guys that ordered the 500 kits got all these things done. Drew's gonna be welding all the radiators in the next few days. Those are pretty much ready to go. Just a bunch of little stuff after that, and all the kits are gonna be shipping out. So I really appreciate the support from you guys. Made a dream come true on selling this product line. I'm pretty excited. Definitely gonna have a 125 and a 250 kit coming out. I do have the 250 here. that I want to use for a donor. It's a 2001, and that's going to be going in the new Honda chassis. Pretty excited about that. All right. So guys, I'm getting back to work here. We kind of just made a random video today. Just wanted to show you guys what we're up to. Alex is being a woodworker over here. RJ is rolling over there getting crates put together. But stay tuned for the video tomorrow. We're gonna get the trikes put together, get the fenders on, get them started up, and go from there. Thanks guys. It's going to his shipping company. It's his and his cousins, right? Florida, yeah.
We'll put some large t-shirts in there for him.
I don't know, is he a medium or a large? Gotta find out. Yeah. Well, I guess I'll show the t-shirts. Might as well. Oh, let's check them out. Running out of room, You're gonna have that. Got some new t-shirts in. You guys always see the flags in the shop, so it's time to get it on the sleeve. Definitely pumped about that. Let me see if I can get my hand in here. Boy, I can work on bikes one-handed, but I can't open up a sleeve on a shirt. Yeah, BBC Off-Road with the flag. Of course, we got the trike shirts. We're gonna redo the trike shirts too. We're gonna get the flags on there and get those on the website. Appreciate all the support with you guys buying those. I also got some two-stroke shirts made up. Legends Never Die. Something different. Got the flag on there. Pretty cool. New hats.
I like the hats. I haven't seen the hats yet.
Yeah. Well, I just noticed that this is a little funny looking, but I'll have to have them redo that shirt. This one's fine. That one looks like it's double blurry print. Yeah, one of us can have that. That's a large. Hey, you guys like merch? We're debating doing a giveaway. Actually, you know what, dude?
What?
Pull up that. Can you pull up that post? I can't even think right now.
Instagram post or the YouTube video?
The YouTube video, the one we just did on the Banshee. Yeah, let's give away a shirt. There's a lot of comments on there.
There is. Wants to load.
That's cool.
I got a new phone and I lost the Wi-Fi. It's great.
Yep.
360 comments.
360 comments. So yeah, you guys start showing us some support, hitting the likes, and all the comments, man. We need this. It really helps the videos go out there. So how can we do this? Can we just like... Boy, there's a lot.
Yeah.
Go all the way to the bottom. It's not just reloading, right? It's actually going to the
all the way
bottom.
to the bottom.
Damn.
There's a lot.
All right, so we're just gonna like, that's the top, that's the bottom.
Now it's gonna reset again.
Yeah.
I got this. I got this.
You know what? Let's try something else. How can we do this? Just go through it and just pick someone.
I got this.
Just like, don't even think about it. Just pick somebody. We're gonna do this better next time, but for right now, we're gonna give some shirts away.
What color are we gonna do this thing? We decided yet?
No.
What, are you doing a free t-shirt?
Yeah, we're picking somebody.
On comments or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just gonna.
Videos.
Even if they're talking shit comments?
If I find a comment talking shit, they're getting a shirt.
Those are our favorite supporters.
They're the ones who make us.
I like this guy.
Make trikes great again. All right.
KTM Keith.
We're going by who Alex likes. So KTM Keith, you need to contact us. KTM Keith, you're getting a t-shirt. Let us know. Shoot us an email, bbcracing@gmail.com. Let us know which one you want. If you like this new two-stroke one, we can do that. If you want just an off-road or a trikes one, hit us up. All right, we'll choose somebody in the next video. So guys, leave some comments on this video and we'll do another giveaway. All right, good job, Alex. We're gonna do this different next time. We're gonna use an actual like system.
Algorithm.
Yes, something that will actually randomly pick it, but you did good.